Assalamualaikum. Today we will be presenting about cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system is sometimes called the blood vascular or simply the circulatory system. It consists of the heart, which is a muscular pumping device, and a closed system of vessels called arteries, veins, and capillaries. As the name implies, blood contained in the circulatory system is pumped by the heart around a closed circle or circuit of vessel as it passes again and again through the various circulations of the body. As in the adult, survival of the developing embryo depends on the circulation of blood to maintain homeostasis and a favorable cellular environment. The role of the cardiovascular system in maintaining homeostasis depends on the continuous and controlled movement of blood through the thousands of miles of capillaries that permeate every tissue and reach every cell in the body. Numerous control mechanisms help to regulate and integrate the diverse functions and component parts of the cardiovascular system in order to supply blood to specific body areas according to need. These mechanisms ensure a constant internal environment surrounding each body cell regardless of differing demands for nutrients or production of waste products.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Now I will continue this presentation with the functions of cardiovascular system. There are the major cardiovascular system functions falls into 5 categories, which are delivery, removal, transport, maintenance, and prevention. First thing first, the cardiovascular system will deliver the oxygen and the nutrients, and in the same time it will remove the carbon dioxide and metabolic waste. The cardiovascular system also will transport the hormones to receptor to maintain the temperature and blood buffering capacity to prevent dehydration and infection. Okay, now we will continue this presentation with the next slide, which is the definition of blood. Blood is a fluid that transports oxygen and nutrients to the cells and carries away carbon dioxide and other waste products. Technically, blood is a transport liquid pumped by the heart or an equivalent structure to all parts of the body, after which it is returned to the heart to repeat the process. Blood is a both tissue and a fluid. It is a tissue because it is a collection of similar specialized cells that serve particular functions. These cells are suspended in a liquid matrix, which is plasma, which makes the blood a fluid. If blood flow ceases, death will occur within minutes because of the effects of an unfavorable environment on highly susceptible cells. Okay, now I will continue this presentation with the blood flow. How does the blood flow through the heart? The right and left side of the heart work together. The pattern described below is repeated over and over, causing blood to flow continuously to the heart, lungs, and all over the body parts. For your information, the heart is an amazing organ. It starts beating about 22 days after conception and continuously pumps oxygenated red blood cells and nutrient-rich bloods and other compounds like platelets throughout your body to sustain the life of your organs. Its pumping power also pushes blood through organs like the lungs to remove waste products like carbon dioxide. The fist-sized powerhouse be expands and contracts about 100,000 times per day, pumping 5 or 6 quarts of blood each minute or about 2,000 gallons per day. In general, if the heart stops beating in about 4 to 6 minutes of no blood flow, brain cells begin to die, and after 10 minutes of no blood flow, the brain cell will cease to function and effectively be dead. There are few exceptions to the above. The heart works by a regulated series of events that cause this muscular organ to contract, which is to squeeze to push the blood and then relax, refill the blood. The normal heart has 4 chambers that undergo the squeeze and relax cycle at specific time interval that are regulated by a normal sequence of electric signals that arise from a specialized tissue. In addition, the normal sequence of electrical signals can be sped up or slow down depending on the needs of the individual. For example, the heart will automatically speed up electrical signals to respond to a person running and will automatically slow down when a person takes a nap. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Naamira Azrin binti Muhammad Amran, and today I want to explain about abnormal condition of heart. So the first is you may hear this called as CAD, which is coronary artery disease. It's when plaque builds up and hardens the arteries that give your heart vital oxygen and nutrients. The hardening is also called atherosclerosis. So the second is abnormal heart rhythm or arrhythmia. The heart is an amazing organ. It beats in a steady even rhythm about 60 to 100 each minute. Sometimes your heart gets out of rhythm. Your doctor calls an irregular or abnormal heartbeat or arrhythmia. An arrhythmia, also called as dysrhythmia, can bring on an uneven heartbeat or a heartbeat that is either too slow or too fast. Lastly, the conclusion of cardiovascular system is as blood travels through the capillaries, its supply of oxygen is reduced and has picked up waste product as well. From the capillaries, blood enters the veins and travels back to the heart to be refreshed and sent out once again. In conclusion, our heart works like a pump which provides nutrients to every organ, tissues and cell throughout your body. In turn, our cells dump waste products like carbon dioxide back into our blood to be returned to our heart. Lastly, the cardiovascular system is very important. Without it, we would not be able to live. So, we must take care of our cardiovascular system so that it take care of us. In order to take care of our cardiovascular system, we need to exercise regularly and eat healthy. And that's all from us. Thank you and enjoy the slide.